Today's home septic system is under assault like never before, with the growing use of chemicals in the products we use every day to maintain our standards of living. Few, if any, are ecologically compatible. They contain various toxins that can kill the microorganisms that a septic tank depends on to operate properly. To help keep your septic system healthy and in proper working order, it is recommended that you treat your system with a septic tank biological activator that contains highly concentrated amounts of both anaerobic and aerobic bacteria. BioTab for septic systems is a biological activator. BioTab is a highly concentrated tablet of bacteria and enzymes that is safe and easy to use. Simply flush 3 tablets down your toilet to establish action, then use 1 tablet each month thereafter to maintain the proper level of bacterial action. BioTab sinks to the bottom of your septic tank where buildup problems begin. It gradually dissolves to create a growing number of activity at the bottom of the tank that digests and liquefies organic waste. BioTab works from the inside out. BioTab is composed by organisms deemed safe by the EPA. It is also non-toxic to humans and animals, nor will it harm your plumbing or septic system. To learn more about the benefits of using BioTab, or to order your 1-year supply for only $49.95, which includes free shipping, visit DrainageSolutionsLLC.com.